Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Brock Salazar. I'm the owner and multi-line agent for ORION Insurance and Financial Services. Now, we are looking for advanced and experienced life insurance agents. Also, if you have a PNC license, that's fantastic. We do need PNC agents. I've got a credit union that I'm an account executive with over 1,000 loan officers, and I need help with servicing these loan officers, homeowners policies, mortgage protection, life, debt-free life, all these other great things that we can offer. I'm going to need help and a team to help me put this together. Now, we are a full stack independent agency, so that means we've got contracts with a bunch of different carriers. On your property casualty side, we've got direct contracts with a lot of carriers, and we use an aggregator called Bolt Access. So Bolt helps us keep track of everything. They do our servicing. Now, on the property casualty side, it's a 50-50 split with our agency on all commissions. Commissions are usually between 10 and 20% of the annualized premium. Autos are 6 months, so there's a renewal there. Homeowners are a year. Business owners, commercial, all of that's pretty much a year, and all that is available. But I'm really looking for life insurance to help me again service these loan officers with mortgage protection life, debt-free life, and those different financial products, advanced products that we offer. Okay, we also do have health insurance, ACA products available, and that's a whole other sector. If that's something you're interested in, let me know. We do offer the best compensation. Most IMOs will start you at 40 to 60%, depending on where you're at. If you're a beginner, they'll probably start you somewhere around 50. But we are not looking for beginners. I'm really sorry to say we need advanced people. I need leaders that I can put teams under, and I need people who don't need much hand holding, and people that won't ask the same question a bunch of different times. I need people who are going to be self-propelled, and people who will take care of their business on their own with very little to no hand-holding. We're offering high contracts between 90 and 100%. Now, people who can show me production, I'll give you a 105 to 115 contract, but I need to see production, right? You need to show me your numbers, and just telling me verbally, that's not going to cut it. Okay, so you can leverage that all you want, but if I don't see it in black and white, I'm not going to count it, and you're going to get started at 90. But if you can bring me some production showing me at least 100,000 in the last 6 months, we'll go to 105 to 115. Now, we do have all these carriers here. Not saying you're going to use all of them. Again, you got to pick your carrier list right, because they all have production requirements, and you'll lose appointments if you do not produce. So, we've got the Mutual of Omahas of the world, Prosperity, Americo, F&G. We've got all the big names here. So we got top contracts with the top carriers, and the technology, right? Now, our technology suite's pretty much free, except the debt-free life program does require you to pay for their software, and you'll go through that quality training. If that's something you want to deal with, or if you want to work with customers and helping them spin down their debt. Now, we do have a direct appointment with Quility, but we are not part of Symmetry. I'm going to say that again. We do have a direct appointment with Quility, but we are not Symmetry. We are not Integrity. We are not any of those big IMOs like Family First, that will take your money on leads and sell you and recycle these leads and sell the same leads over and over to all of their agents. We do not do that. In fact, we don't even sell leads. We let you buy your own from whoever you want. We've got preferred vendors, but you can buy your own leads, okay? This is a 1099 position. This is not a salary position or an hourly position. In my experience, almost 30 years in this business, when you pay someone a salary, they're just going to sit around and click on Facebook and look for their next job. They are not going to produce. They are not going to be focused. I want business owners that have accountability for their own production and activity. I do not micromanage. So if I don't see you producing, I'm just going to leave you be. I'm not going to ask you what's wrong. We don't do that here. Okay. So if you need hand holding, if you need extra care, this is not the place for you. I need builders. I need leaders. Okay. Established builders, established leaders, and established salesmen, because I'm paying this comp level. That's what I want. Right. And not only that, the network. Good luck finding a network with over 1,000 loan officers, right? Good luck finding a network with 17,000 realtors nationwide. That's what I'm talking about, and I do not need beginners holding us back. So again, I'm really sorry about that, but maybe in the future we'll have a plan for beginners. But right now I need advanced leaders and salespeople. This is also our marketing. We've got a free Go High Level account that you'll have access to. We'll also have access to our marketing team. They're at your disposal, right? So they can put together funnels, anything you need. Very low cost on that. If you need a Facebook campaign put together, they can help you. And I've seen them do things that other people charge $2,000 or more for a couple $100. So, this is invaluable here. Now, free lead program, there is a program where we do have a final expense call center. You have to log into Zoom. You have to be present, from 8 o'clock to 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. You don't have to stay in there that length of time. It depends on your time zone, but we do want to see you there at least 5 to 7 hours a day. If we're giving you free leads, we expect you to call. Now, if you show up, call a few, get discouraged, leave, we're going to transfer those leads to someone else. I'm just going to be honest with you. This is a sales position job. You're self-employed. And if you don't know how to be accountable for your own actions, this is not the job for you. I just want to stress that, if you need hand holding, if you're brand new, if you don't have a license, if you don't know what chargebacks are, then this is not the place for you. Right? I want experienced people. I can't stress that enough. I know this says part-time, but I don't want part-timers either. If you have another job, that's where your loyalty is. It's not going to be with us, so we do not want to put the time into you. Again, I'm sorry for being so harsh. If it sounds harsh, again, I'm sorry, but I'm being transparent. I don't want you to waste your time, and I sure as heck don't want to waste mine. I've got too much going on, and we need leaders here. Okay, so again, this is a 100% commission job. There's no salary, no hourly. You are a business owner. If you don't have the business owner mindset, and I know that's cliche to say, but if you don't have that business owner mindset and you don't, wake up, eat, breathe your business, that may not be the right fit for you. Okay. Our compensation levels, we are non-captive, but if you're going to have free leads coming your way, we don't want you having appointments with anyone else. Okay. We don't want you taking our leads and closing them with another IMO. I'm going to say it again, just because people have selective hearing. If you're going to come into our group and take advantage of our free leads, you're going to cancel all of your appointments, and you're going to start with us, brand new, fresh, new appointments. And you're also going to sign a non-compete. Okay? We take this stuff serious. I've seen too much in my 26 years in this business. I know how humans are. They'll take advantage at every turn, and we're not going to allow it. Okay? So if you're one of those people, again, this is not for you. Move on to the next opportunity. Here's our comp grid. You have the opportunity to get up to 125 comp. As an individual, as a team, you have the capability to get up to 145. This is where we'll start you out if you don't show me production. I need to see production. If you tell me I'm experienced, but I don't have a production report, you're going to start at 80. I need to see your production. I need to see that you can walk the walk. All right? Now, here's my email address. You can send me an email if you're interested, but by now, you're probably going on my automated system, getting emails and text messages with more information on the opportunity. So, set an appointment with me. Again, if you're good with it being a commission only job, if you're good with having to be a top seller or at least have some experience, and if you're okay with me or my team not holding your hand and learning on your own with these systems, then this is a good fit for you. If you need to be handheld, if you need to be coddled, if you are going to ask the same questions 100 times, this is not for you. I'm going to say that again. It's not for you if you cannot be self-reliant, self-propelled, and accountable for your actions. Okay? So, again, thank you for joining me today and watching this overview. Again, I'm going to apologize again if I was a little harsh there with everything, but I just want to be clear. That way you don't waste your time, you don't waste my time, and you can find the right fit for you, okay? Now, I wish everybody the best of luck. If this isn't a good fit for you this time, no problem. If you ever want to revisit, you know how to get a hold of me, and I wish you all the best. Take care.